Chicken Mole Poblano. Ingredients: 16 ancho chilies, about 200 grams/7 ounces, cleaned, seeds removed and retained. 4 pasilla chilies, cleaned, seeds removed and retained. 30 grams/1 ounce stale baguette or white bread, roughly 1 slice. 50 grams/1 3/4 ounce sesame seeds. 120 grams/4.5 ounces blanched almonds. 1 tablespoon coriander seeds. 6 black peppercorns. 5 centimeters/2 in cinnamon stick. 4 tablespoons corn oil. 1 small ripe plantain or unripe banana, peeled and thickly sliced. 130 grams/4 3/4 ounces raisins or currants. 1 onion, thinly sliced. 1 garlic clove, roughly chopped. Hint ground cloves. 1 teaspoon oregano. 1 litre/1 3/4 pints chicken stock. 100 grams/3.5 ounces dark chocolate, 70 to 85% cocoa solids, roughly chopped. 4 to 5 skinless chicken breasts. 2 tablespoons sesame seeds. Salt. To serve, optional. And full lettuce leaves. Pour corn tortillas, warmed. Method: toast the chilies in a frying pan on a high heat for about 20 seconds until fragrant but not burnt. Place them in a bowl and cover with boiling water for 20 minutes. Drain and set aside. Place the same pan over a medium heat and toast the bread. 1 teaspoon of the reserved chili seeds, sesame seeds, almonds, coriander seeds, peppercorns and cinnamon until fragrant but not burnt. Set them aside and blend to a powder when cool. Heat 2 tablespoons of the corn oil in a separate pan and fry the plantain, or banana. Add the raisins, or currants, onions and garlic and fry until soft and sweet. Tip into a food processor with the drained chilies, powdered spices, cloves, oregano and 350 milliliters/12 fluid ounces of the chicken stock. Blend into a smooth sauce. Pour the sauce into a clean saucepan with the remaining stock and the chocolate. Heat through gently for 15 to 20 minutes until the chocolate has melted and the sauce resembles a thick dark gravy. Do not allow it to boil. If the mixture is too thick, add a splash of water. Taste for seasoning and add a little salt if needed. Coat the chicken breasts with the remaining 2 tablespoons corn oil and season with salt. Place in a frying pan over a medium heat and brown on both sides. Reduce the heat and continue to cook for 10 to 15 minutes until cooked through and the juices run clear. Meanwhile, toast the sesame seeds in a dry frying pan until brown. Slice the chicken breasts diagonally and serve 1 breast per person, with the sauce spoon over. Sprinkle with toasted sesame seeds.